Good morning, everyone. This is Joe from Reading, and it's September the 4th, about 9 o'clock in the morning. Nice this morning. It's going to be just about 95 today, which will be a nice day for Reading. We're letting our new young birds out, the 2011 young birds. They're happy to get out. They like it out first thing in the morning and cruise around and peck and do all kinds of things. So anyway, this is the first group. These are all the ones we have raised since the last video, and it looks like they're gonna sit up on the garage a little bit and walk around. Anyway, this is the loft as it's been completed. And anyway, thanks a lot. You guys have a great day. Joe from Reading, California. Looks like they're coming back in to eat. They're all trapping. They're getting trained fairly well. Well, some of them are. There they come back down. Time to eat, guys. Come on. There we go. Looks like we might have a few stragglers that might be hungry. They're still up there cruising around, but they'll come down. Here's the next group that are getting ready to learn how to trap, and these guys here will go in just as soon as the feed is put down. So anyway, it looks like we've raised about 70 youngsters since the last video, and they're all going to be up flying here pretty quick. Anyway, this is Joe from Reading. Have a great day.